In a recent video, we taught you a recipe for a natural juice with pumpkin seeds to cleanse your body from worms. Have you watched it yet? Did you know the benefits of pumpkin seeds? Pumpkin seed is rich in zinc, which strengthens the immune system. Besides, it contains a substance called piperazine, responsible for eliminating intestinal parasites. We can even find it as a medication in drugstores. And if that's not enough, pumpkin seeds are used as an old but very efficient dewormer. Among these benefits, there are still others, like the seeds are a source of protein. In 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of toasted salted pumpkin seed, you ingest more than 18 grams of protein, 18.4 grams of fiber, and many essential vitamins and minerals like zinc, magnesium, iron, and phosphorus. Rich in antioxidants, pumpkin seed is unbeatable when we talk about antioxidant levels. It contains many forms of vitamin E and a diverse mixture of antioxidants that aren't easily found in any other food. That's what makes these seeds so special. Besides acting as a dewormer, helping paralyze the worms and expulse them from the body thanks to the phytosterols, pumpkin seeds are also proven efficient in lowering bad cholesterol, LDL. Strengthens the immune system. Zinc is responsible for fighting and protecting us against many diseases. The National Health Institute recommends daily ingestion of 8 milligrams of zinc for an adult woman, and in 100 grams of pumpkin seeds contain 10 milligrams. Helps with prostate health. Studies show that the properties of pumpkin seed and its oil are beneficial for the prostate gland and for treating benign prostatic hyperplasia, BHP, also known as prostate gland enlargement. The seeds have phytosterols that prevent the testosterone from turning into dihydrotestosterone, responsible for enlarging the prostate gland. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. It makes you happier. Pumpkin seeds improve your mood naturally and can even be efficient against depression. Besides, when ingested a few hours before going to bed, the tryptophan found in these seeds helps you have a good night of sleep. So, in today's video, you will learn how to make a pumpkin seed milk at home. Write down the ingredients. 1 cup coffee, pumpkin seeds, non-salted. Buy it dried in bulk. It's cheap and easy to find. 3 cups coffee, filtered water for soaking. 3 cups coffee, filtered water for the milk. 1 teaspoon natural vanilla essence, leveled. Directions. Put the seeds in a bowl with 3 cups of water and leave it overnight. On the next day, throw the water away and rinse the seeds. In a blender, combine the seeds with the remaining 3 cups of water and the vanilla essence. It is ready. If you want, use a nut milk bag to strain. The beverage will be silky without any pieces of the shell. You can keep the pumpkin seed milk in the fridge for up to 3 days. Another nice thing is that everybody can drink this milk. It is super common to see people who can't try many recipes because they can't have cow's milk. And if that wasn't enough, some of them can't even turn to plant milk since they are allergic to nuts. Do you know someone like this? Try it and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.